Hi everyone, welcome back to Spark Plugin's YouTube channel. Today I have a very insightful video on Squarespace GPT. I'm going to show you how AI builds your website fast and how you can use it to create your Squarespace website, whether it's copy, layout, or whatever you need. And it's actually quite easy, as it should be, because it's like an assistant. A disclaimer though, you will need a Squarespace and a ChatGPT account in order for this to work. So make sure you get that first and then we can get started. So the first thing you need to do is go to chatgpt.com/GPTS. And then in the search bar, you're going to paste Squarespace AI Website Builder. And then as you could see, this is the first one right over here. And we're going to go ahead and click on Start Chat. Once we're on the chat, we can select a few different prompts. So let's just say we wanted to do create a website for my business. And from here, it's going to ask you what's the name of your business. And I'm just going to use Spark Plugin. And then it's going to ask us a few questions and we can let it know what kind of business it is. But let's say we just say that it's software, and you can say software or two because it'll know since it gave you those options. And then it'll ask you what your brand tone is. And let's say we wanted it to be bold. And then it's going to say what the website goals are. And as you can see here, it says sell services, showcase worker expertise, or offer a contact form. And you can add any other goals. And it says over here, so let's say we wanted to do sell products also. They did just replace the goals. So we could say add original goals also. And it has all the goals now. So we could say it looks good. Now it says our Squarespace setup for Spark Plugin is complete, so we can continue editing it in Squarespace. So that's why you want to make sure you're logged in. So I'm going to click it and then click open link. And as you can see, it created this little template for us, which shows the products, our services, the contact form, everything that we asked. You could also edit it over here if you need to, and you could add more pages if you wanted to. You can change the colors over here if you wanted to do that, and you can choose different font pairings. So let's say we wanted to do something like this. That's a little fun. And then it basically uses Blueprint AI to finish building your Squarespace website, and you didn't have to really do much. You could still go ahead and edit it some more. Obviously, you need to add your own pictures, your own copy, but you could even ask ChatGPT to help you with copy for different pages. So it makes building your website just so easy. And there you go. Now you know how to use Squarespace GPT to build your Squarespace website, whether it's copy, layout, or whatever you need. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified for more Squarespace tips and tricks. I'll see you next time.